This is my, not necessarily a review, but more of a showing and documenting of a new piece of equipment I've just added to my shop, to my shed. It's a 3-in-1 combi lathe mill drill press that I bought off an old fella up the road. It looks like he's taken pretty good care of it, and he said he bought it from new and he hasn't really used it that much. It's branded as a roval 3-in-1, and so far the only information I could find online of what a roval is. There isn't actually any brand name roval. It's this label on the side here that says Chizhou, sorry if I pronounced it wrong, family machine tool works from the People's Republic of China. And so far I'm pretty happy with it, considering I paid $900 for it. It's in pretty good nick. I wouldn't say barely used, but it's in good nick. The ways look pretty good. There's not many deep scuffs or anything in them. And I'm no machining expert. Like, this is the first lathe I've owned, so the first modification I've done to it straight out the gate was I put an emergency stop switch on it, just for my own safety, because I'd like to be able to bang a switch and shut it down. Has got the power feed on it, which is nice. So far the only pictures of machines that I've seen similar to this one didn't have the power feed on it, so but it's definitely nice to have. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. I bought this because I was looking at buying a drill press, and then I stumbled across these 3-in-1 machines, and seeing as I've got limited space out in my shed, this was the most economical way to use up the space, and it gives me a lot more capabilities that I didn't have just with this one tool. But the only gripe I've got with it so far is the milling head's really close to the chuck. It doesn't quite reach down far enough, so I'm going to have to come up with a creative way of raising up the table on the crossfeed for when I want to use the mill. It came with this dead center, this faceplate. So yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick video showing this piece of equipment that I bought, just because I really couldn't find too many videos of them on YouTube for this specific type anyway, with roval written on it. So I can't really give you as much of a review because I've never owned or used a lathe before. So it's going to be a learning curve for me, but you definitely will see it getting some use in some upcoming videos, that's for sure. So these are some of the results I've been able to get from it so far. So for the reproduction sort of prop making I like to do, it's more than good enough for my needs, and I'm sure I'm only going to get better with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.